Hello, union in freedom. I have this vision of this union in freedom after reading the text of today. How important is this to proceed in the life? How important is this in developing us? And how often this is very something which is attacked by through the bad spirit, as it is called in the Bible, as the force which is acting against us. This all comes to in my mind after reading the scene when Jesus is attacked by the Pharisees because they are assuming that he is throwing away the bad spirit with the force of bad spirit, Beelzebul. They are accusing him that he has this bad spirit in him. And Jesus is taking this as an occasion, as a possibility, opportunity to explain how the bad spirit is really acting. And he's using this example of two rains, of one rain which is broken, which is going apart because of the conflicts within that. So bad spirit is acting against this union, this union is something which is giving us the force, as something which is maintaining our well-being, wealth of the nation, peace, and other values which are so important for us, this union. So bad spirit is against this union, but union on every cost, not. Because the second image which we got in the Gospel of today is about the second attack the bad spirit is attempting to do. It's against our liberty, because he's saying when the bad spirit wants to rub out a person, first he's taking away his or her freedom of a person. So he is bonding him. This image of being bound is as the symbol of taking away a freedom of a person. The person is not acting anymore free. So union at every cost, not. Union in freedom. I think that we have to have this in mind, because otherwise we'll too much prioritize union on every cost, which can be a good thing, but only if it is and is realized in freedom. We have to be free in order to protect what we have gained from God against the attacks of the bad spirit. So I had this vision in my mind. Share with me, what do you think about this text?